How to delete Snapchat account, a 72 hours problem. Now, the very first thing that you'll have to do, which is going to be the troubleshooting step, is of course to clear cache from the application directly. So you just have to tap and hold on the Snapchat application and just simply tap on this eye or information icon. Now, this is where you can clear all data and cache, including the storage from your Snapchat account. Now just go ahead to clear all data and just clear cache. Now if this does not resolve the issue, then what you want to do is access your Snapchat account again. Head over to your profile located at the top left portion of your screen, and then go to the gear icon, which will take you to your settings. And in here, under my account, you have to change your password. So it is usually below Snapchat Plus. Just simply press on password and you'll have to change your password. So this is actually a common problem of users that is currently experiencing an intermittent connection, deleting their account multiple times. So you just have to change your password in this manner, and you can go ahead and try to re-delete your account again. And that's it. That's how you troubleshoot on deleting your Snapchat account with a 72 hours problem.